Did you just get your license? Or maybe you got your license a couple months ago or a year ago and you haven't really made any moves. You haven't even met with anybody. You don't have clients, you're not showing houses, or maybe not enough. Look, I think what the issue is you are training way too much. You're training too hard. There's way too many websites out there, too many podcasts that you're listening to. Too much stuff is in your head, and what's happening is you're not executing on one or two things. I feel the best way to learn in this market and to take advantage of this hot real estate market, just focus on one or two things. Those couple things that you need to focus on and master is meeting with buyers, talking with buyers, learning how to actually have a consultation with them to get them to trust you and like you. Once you start figuring that out, guess what? Now you're gonna start showing houses. You start showing houses, you're gonna learn how to do that. You're gonna start actually educating these buyers to do what you need to do to have success in this market. Now you're showing houses, get them to write offers. How do you write an offer? Guess what? That's what you leverage and you ask questions. That's when you start learning how to do something when you're actually doing it. So that's some of the things that we offer when we're training. I just suggest don't focus on too many things. Focus on one, two things, master those, and then move on to the next steps.